So this morning's higher level geography paper is now done and dusted. Well done everyone, you got through it. It was a lovely paper with all the extra time you had and the extra choice. I'm sure you all found questions that suited you and have shown off all the hard work you've put in. One thing I think we've all learned from this paper is that looking at the patterns of questions in the past isn't possibly the most reliable way of predicting what's going to come up, as quite a few questions came up that have been up even in last year's paper and the year before. So we'll have a quick flick through and see what it was like. So start with the short questions. There was no changes to this. So as you know, you were given 12, they mark you out of your best 10. Nice to see probably the very first thing you covered in 5th year as the very first question, all about the structure of the Earth. They were all really straightforward, so I'm sure you all did wonderfully on them. When it comes to the long questions, as you know, you had to do 3, and you could do 2 from one topic, which was great. A lot of you may have done 2 questions from physical geography. The physical questions were lovely. But yeah, as we said there a few minutes ago, that there was a bit of a surprise that human interaction with surface processes came up again, having been on the paper last year. And lovely questions on the feature of erosion. If we go to regional geography, once again, very straightforward questions. You had your concept of a region, you could talk about culture or climate, agriculture in Ireland, and they laid out for you what they want you to talk about, so relief, climate or markets, and then region of industrial decline. So all lovely and straightforward. With the electives, so you either did the economic elective or you would have done the human elective. With the economic elective, lovely question on sustainable development and how economic activities can be developed to control their environmental impact. Very topical question there. The rest of it all very straightforward. With the human environment elective, lovely questions again, one on migration, the impact of migration on donor and receiver regions, central place theory, that was a great question. Just got you to gave you a chance to show off everything you know about the subject, no twists or turns there. Then it brings us on to our option. A lot of people probably looked at geoecology. The first 2 questions there were very straightforward, one on soil characteristics and the impacts on soil development, and then the biome question was very straightforward. The question laid out your 3 aspects, and I'm sure you all did really well. So that's it, geography is done. I hope you actually enjoyed the exam at the end, and I wish you all the best for the rest of your exams, and take care.